Trafilatura is a Python package that helps extract content from web pages. It specializes in retrieving the main text, metadata, and comments from web documents, particularly articles, blog posts, and news sites. The library provides tools to download web pages, process them, and convert the extracted content into various formats.
1. Installation.
Installing Trafilatura is straightforward using pip, Python's package manager. One, this command installs the Trafilatura package and its dependencies. 2, for more advanced features like RSSB processing, you can use pip install Trafilatura all.
2. Basic usage. Extracting text from a URL.
The simplest way to use Trafilatura is to extract the main text from a URL. One, we import the Trafilatura module. 2, the fetch_URL function downloads the content from a given URL. 3, the extract function processes the downloaded HTML and extracts the main text. 4, the result is plain text with the main content of the page, excluding navigation, ads, etc.
3. Extracting with metadata.
Often we want more than just the text. We might want title, author, date, etc. 1, the include underscore metadata equals true parameter tells Trafilatura to extract metadata like title, author, date. 2, output underscore format equals XML returns the result in XML format. Other options include JSON, CSV, etc. 3, the result is a structured XML document with both the main content and metadata.
4. Processing local HTML files.
You can also process HTML that you already have stored locally. One, we read an HTML file from disk instead of downloading it from the web. 2, the extract function works the same way with locally stored HTML.
5. Extracting from multiple URLs.
For batch processing, Trafilatura provides tools to handle multiple URLs. 1, we iterate through a list of URLs. 2, for each URL, we download and extract the content. 3, we check if the download was successful before attempting extraction. 4, this pattern is useful for scraping multiple pages from a website.
6. Advanced configuration.
Trafilatura allows customization of the extraction process. One, we import the configuration module from Trafilatura. 2, we create a custom configuration object and modify parameters like minimum output size. 3, we pass this configuration to the extract function. 4. This allows fine-tuning the extraction process for specific needs.
7. Handling different output formats.
Trafilatura supports various output formats. 1. We extract content in different formats: plain text, XML, and JSON. 2. For JSON, we convert the string to a Python object using json.loads. 3. Each format has different use cases: text for simple storage, XML/JSON for structured data.
8. Working with comments.
Trafilatura can also extract comments from web pages. 1. The include underscore comments equals true parameter tells Trafilatura to extract user comments. 2. Comments will be included in the output, separated from the main content. 3. This is useful for sentiment analysis or community response studies.
9. Extracting from RSS feeds.
Trafilatura can process RSS feeds to extract articles in batch.
Old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot and all?
1. We use the feeds module to find RSS feeds on a website. 2. Then we extract links to individual articles from the feed. 3. This approach allows systematic crawling of news sites or blogs.
Important points to remember.
Take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne, for all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Thanks for watching.